Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody was asking me if there is no more Windows subsystem for Android. Is there a way to have Android apps on Windows? And there certainly is. There's a app called BlueStacks that has been around for quite a long time. Works on Windows 10, Windows 11, and it is a pretty much a Android system within your PC. So if you look, this is the BlueStacks app. I've installed it just to show you guys. So you can of course download games from here, search for games, whatever you want to play, or any apps. So you just look at what is in here, and you just click an app and install it. And of course, there are paid apps. There are standard apps of all sorts. And you can, of course, configure all of that to work with your different devices on Windows. Not all apps are great to play on a PC. Remember that. Not all apps are great to see because the form factor of many apps has been designed for small portable devices. So sometimes in Windows it looks rather bizarre on a big screen. But you've got a lot of options. There's a Discord channel that's related to all of this. So you just search for whatever app that you want to get and check out if it's available. One just, for example, if I would like to play Angry Birds, here we go. You can search for an app and so on. You click on the app and you install from the Google Play. And of course, you can have your Google Play accounts. The apps that are paid apps, you can pay and have no ads and stuff like that. So whatever app you want that is available from Google Play should be available pretty much in the BlueStacks app. So it's a great, great app. I will share the link to where you can get BlueStacks, and it is this page here. I will share this in the description below. Just check out and click download BlueStacks, install it, and you'll be ready to pretty much have all the apps that you'd like to have for Android, and no need for the subsystem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.